From the rugged plans comes the foundation of luxury, carefully chosen for strength and quality. Transforming raw strength into premium material. Hides prepared with care for the journey ahead. Preserved with time-honored techniques.
This one looks good, market premium.
Only the finest hides advance.
Prepared for the journey to the facility. Raw material begins its transformation path. From ranch to factory, the journey continues. Premium leather arrives at the facility. Unloaded and ready for processing. Leather enters the first processing stage.
Carefully documented for quality.
First quality checks performed. Leather begins thorough cleaning. Sorted for optimal use.
Batches prepared for transformation.
Leather moves into core processing.
Ready for the heart of leather transformation. The dedicated facility for luxury leather.
Team enters for another day of precision work. Materials flow through secure entry points. Prepared and equipped for production. Transitioning into active production zones. Direct access to the heart of operations. Where exterior meets expert craftsmanship.
The Red Brahman batches are ready for the tanning line. The pH levels are noted here.
Seamless transition between skilled teams.
Oversight at every entry stage. The complete factory ecosystem in motion. Leather receives its first deep cleaning.
Soak to prepare natural fibers.
Surface prepared with precision tools. Expert hands sort for excellence.
Imperfections carefully removed. Uniform thickness achieved.
Batches organized for transformation. Final verification before main processing. Moving into the heart of production.
Leather ready for core transformation.
Leather enters the core tanning process.
Excess chemicals removed with care.
Moisture precisely controlled.
Detailed quality check on natural grain.
Controlled drying for stability.
Quality checking leather flexibility.
Color transformation begins. Rigorous quality check for color consistency. Core processing complete with excellence.
Core quality checking for thickness.
Leather cut into precise handbag patterns.
Edges refined for elegant assembly.
Leather stitched into handbag forms. Lining joined to luxury leather. Handles and straps secured with strength.
Premium hardware completes the design.
Luxury shapes formed from leather.
Interiors crafted for functionality and luxury.
Complete transformation into handbags.
Handbags now take their refined form.
High-tech quality checking begins.
Laser precision verifies every detail.
Automated quality check on craftsmanship. Surface excellence confirmed by technology.
Hardware and function rigorously tested. High-tech packing process initiates. Secure automated sealing completed.
Final quality verification passed.
Automated palletizing for distribution.
High-tech systems complete the packing.
Precision finishing elevates the leather. Final quality assurance completed.
Handbags prepared for first showcase.
Heading from factory to market showcase.
Luxury leather handbags reach the market.